Good day, everybody. Dell here with a product called Shin Zzang. Shin Zzang. It's a snack and made with honey and snack sesame. And we'll take a look, and this is what they look like. Shin Zzang. Contains wheat, soybeans, and produced in a facility that handles milk, peanuts, and crustacean shellfish. So these aren't too bad. They taste alright. They're a nice snack. So I'm going to have another one. It's sort of crunchy. And sort of sugary, sweet. That's the acacia honey in there. And I'm having trouble just having one of these things, so. And I can see that the bag is mostly empty by the time it was handed to me, so that should say something about this. These are the kind of things that maybe you better buy 2 or 3 bags if you're gonna take the plunge.
Now, where do you get this one? I guess just Google it or something like that.
So to my knowledge, I don't know where to go to get these.
Nick, do you know where to get these?
Asian supermarket.
Asian supermarket, I guess.
There, you heard it from the horse's mouth. Asian supermarket. That's where you get these. Shin Zzang. And an